Here's how you can add a birthday on your iPhone calendar. So let me show you how it works and explain it all. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe and that way you'll never miss anything important. Now, of course, inside of your calendar, you can click on like the plus button and set up a new event, right? And you can just choose it to be whatever, right? And you can name that event to be the, birthday. So you can set it up manually, right? You can literally just type in a person's birthday, choose the date and a time, and perhaps even repeat it yearly if you wanted to. So that would be like a manual way to set up the birthdays. But if you want to have it a bit more automated, you can open up the Contacts app, and the people you have stored in your contacts, those can be edited and the information for their birthday can be added. And once you add it into the contacts, it will automatically appear in your calendar as well. So this is a bit more of the, like integrated approach where you just added the birthday in contacts, it appears in here, and you can as well just set up the reminders if that's the thing you want. Depends on how you have the notifications set up for the calendar, but you can also just be reminded as such, if you add it to the calendar. So that's how it works. Of course, when you are inside of the actual calendar app, make sure that you have all of the calendars visible, because you can, for example, you might have the birthdays like unchecked, meaning that it is there, but it's just not visible. So make sure it is visible and that you always get to see it. But other than that, I don't think that there is anything more that you need to know about it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well.